Welcome back to our channel. Today I'm gonna explain you and I'm gonna provide you a user guide about the Gate.io and both of them. Both side at the exchange side and Web3 side. First of all, we need to start from exchange side. And first of all, sure, you need to, if you have no any account, I will put down of the description of this video, and sure, after this watching this video, you can absolutely use this discount link for Coin Engineer, officially for Coin Engineer followers, and that's why you will get 10% off the payments. And first of all, you need to click sign up button, put your email or phone, then choose your country, which one you are citizen, and then if you have referral ID, that's optional. You can put or you can don't how you want, and click accept, and that's it. After the passing KYC verification, you can absolutely be eligible to using and providing and supporting from Gate.io and its own full features. First of all, click buy crypto. Express. What is the express buy crypto method? For example, you wanna buy using USDT, and then just put the relevant amount. For example, I wanna spend 1000 USD to get a 1010 USDT, and then Gate.io will calculate for me what is the best option to buy it, and bank transfer is the best option. And if you have no any bank to doing transfer your funds from your bank account to Gate.io, you can use debit or credit card. It's as best price. Samely with bank transfer, then click confirm and we change, and then click buy USDT. That's it. And over the 300 payment methods and nearly 100 fiat currencies, Gate.io right now supporting. That's the whole management. That's the best network at the cryptocurrency centralized exchange side. And then other things, debit card, bank transfer, P2P trading. Right now I'm using just P2P trading because there's no any fee, and that's the most fastest method. And if you are country supporting Gate card, and you can use Gate card to transfer first of all your USDT, your sure national currency into the Gate card, then you can convert easily using the Gate card into this Gate.io website and into your balance. And by the way, if you wanna use mobile application at the App Store or Google Play Store, you can just click in there and scan QR, and then you will direct to App Store or Play Store, which one your phone device type. And then buy crypto has already done prices. You can take a look whole prices at the cryptocurrency market, for example, most popular top gainers, and then you can take a look market cap, what's happening at the last 24 hours, and Bitcoin dominance, Ethereum dominance, etc. And you can take a look whole currency market categories. For example, you want to take a look Metaverse tokens, all of this into the deer, and you can use Gate.io website as a coin market cap on another seamless tool. And yes, prices is that trade, one of the most sites spot trade. For example, you want to get Bitcoin USDT, using USDT, you want to buy Bitcoin at the spot side, click derivatives, not derivatives trade, and you will see spot, and then you can choose whole tokens, which one's listing at the Gate.io. Don't worry listing about that, about listing on Gate.io, because Gate.io has, if I'm not mistaken, over 1000 tokens as a listing in there. And you can take a look order books, you can take last trades, you can change it from there, and you want to buy or sell, click this, and first of all login or sign up, put price, put amount if you are at the limit. If you are click market, you don't need click any price because market will automatically do it. Just put amount and then change this bar. Yes, that's it. Click buy, you will see buy button. Right now I'm not logged in this website, that's why I can't see. And you can change isolated 10x or contract. Yes, that's it. And then trade and convert. If you have a large amount, you can easily do this into the Get.io convert. For example, you have 1 billion USDT, for example. I hope you will get that, by the way. 1 billion USDT. Put your own 1 billion USDT. Ouch, I have some gateway problems. Yes, right now I solved it. I already solved it. Yes, Get.io convert feature. put relevant amount, which one you want to convert. What happened in the probably sufficient balance, and I not log it in. That's why I see I haven't. And you don't forget to do that, log in or sign up, and then you will see Bitcoin, or you can choose other listed cryptocurrency at the gate.io convert and click the convert button, and you can do it at the stablecoin side. That's it. And margin, you can use up to 10x leverage. The method is seamless features and spot. That's why there is no other things about to discuss about the margin. Leverage token, yes, that are exchange traded fund leverage tokens. You can click to learn more, or for example 3x ETFs, for example PP3s, PP3L, Auto3L. You can just buy if you wanna buy ETF tokens in there. That's not a ETFs into the global market. That's the ETFs at the gate.io. That's why don't confuse about that. Pre-market trading. For example, one of the best popular Telegram game, Hamster Combat Hamster Token, had all the listing at the pre-market. I mean, you can buy filling these orders, for example, with this price, here, the lowest ask is 1.100001 USDT, and last price is 1.30 USDT, and you can click buy, and then you will have your own hamster token at the pre-market trading, and you can do it at the Delay token, Bit token, Blast token, Mocha, and other things. And take a look some others at from historical project side. And if you don't know about trading rules, you can take a look. Frequently asked questions here. Yes. What happened to the next? Pre-market startup. Yes, startup is one of the crucial things. Token launch and airdrop. You can get your token by claiming I'm talking as an airdrop. If you are a regular user at the gate.io site, for example, Zeta ZX token, Otherworld's own token, you can just click hold GT. For example, if you are holder for GT token, you absolutely be eligible this airdrop. That means you can easily and absolutely get a free money from gate.io, token launch and airdrop, and at the same time you can join startup mining, for example, in progress, Orange, Layer on blockchain, etc. Just click stake. The logic is the same at the OKX Jumpstart, at the Binance Launch Pool. Just that's the native currency of the gate.io GT token. Stake, and if you are holding GT token, you can get a passive income from there at the startup mining site. Yes, but I will take a look into the bot side. That's why into there I don't want to take a look at that. Perpetual features. Perpetual features in essence is the same spot features, but the different main thing is located on the excess and leverage side. For example, that's right now I'm not logging, just click it, and for example at the Bitcoin side you can use maximum of 125 token, and at the altcoins, for example at the Ethereum side, you can use, if I'm not mistaken, 75x, and just put limit or market. I had already said that if you want to choose market, you don't need to put any price, but at the limit side you can absolutely have to put price and then put size, take a stop loss or take profit. If you have a real huge amount, you can click iceberg order and then click buy, or at the same time sell, and then you can take a look cross or margin. If you are cross, you will use just current balance into there, but isolated in using your whole account balance. That's why please pay attention and be careful about that. And you can take a look order books, trades, click trades, and see which time, which prices, and which quantity Ethereum is buying or selling. Reds are selling, greens is buying. Absolutely, you have already done that. If you want to take a look position or position history and some other histories, and for example if you are using or running bots, you can take a look, you can control and manage from there your own bots. Yes, that's it about derivatives. Delivery features at the testnet, you can use USDT M side and weekly and quarterly contracts with expiration dates you can using at the delivery feature side. Options, if you want to do option trading at the Gate.io, you can take a look, for example, that, and then first of all, choose your own limit order, put price, size, click reduce only if you want, and then you will see the order button, and you can use filter, you can change your own currency, for example, Doge, Ethereum, Bitcoin, etc. And then what we need to do, take a look. Yes, copy trading. Copy trading, I will talk about a lot in here. That's why I don't want to take a look into there. And if you have, take a look, unrealized profits, your own margin, if you want share your own results in there, you can do it on a find account and finance side. Simple earn, hodl and earn, structured products, auto invest, dual invest. All of products is designing to earn passive income at the Gate.io. For example, if you have a Ethereum, you can stake your own Ethereum and you can get passive income from there. And if you want to unstake that, there is no any delay. For example, if you are hodler, GT token, you can at the same time get a passive income from GT token. I had already talked about that at the startup side. Structured products, pre-packaged products, you can use it to get some passive incomes. Auto invest, you can build your own auto investment portfolio and you can copy some others auto invest portfolios, trading strategies. And simple earn, just stake and earn some other currencies. Gate wheels, crypto loan as also same. And yes, spot grid. For example, if you have no any time, you can use spot grid to buy daily, hourly, weekly, monthly, yearly, doesn't matter. Your money, your decision, your bot, it absolutely belongs to you. For example, spot grid trading return percent is so less. There is no need. For example, it's so good. You can just take a look, click, take a look. First of all, you need to log in, take a look details, and then click copy. That's it. And sure, you can change your own tokens from Solana to Popcat, Malcoin, Lista, etc. And the screen, the interface is the same with perpetual spot grid side, because as also spot side. Future grid is the same, spot martingale. If you want to buy the dip, find the dip in the batch or sell at the some high points with lower risk, you can absolutely use spot martingale. And smart rebalance, you can use smart rebalance if you want to create balancing portfolio using coin M trading. Combined indicators, you can apply indicators into the discharge using this. And spot future arbitrage, there is no any risk, but you can do arbitrage easily at the Gate.io website. Infinite grid, margin grid, they are all the same. And if you want to learn anything about the bots, furthermore, you can use the site trade with bots. You can use it and you can use bot pools into the deal. Just click one time and then your bot at the pool will run automatically. Yes. And copy trading, yes. Spot copy trading. For example, I say it again, I have no any time to do spot trading, and that's why I'm just analyzing some other traders. For example, the traders is so look good, or this, although it has a 0%, I just take a look previous returns, previous strategies, and then just click copy, put your amount, that's it. And you need to passing QYC account at the Gate.io. Futures copy trading are the same, just click copy, put amount, yes. You will just present a little bit amount to traders. And bot copy trading, you can using sophisticated bots to copy to profit. I mean, bot will copy instead of you. That's it. If you are institutional or corporational customers, or if you want to join broker program, you can use this site. Probably if you are institutional or corporation user, I don't need to explain that. But for example, broker program is located on the Gate.io website. You can use it. You can get APIs, liquidity program, VIP loan, custody, and asset management. Probably you already knew about that. That's why I don't need to take a look about that. That's the social side of Get.io moments. For example, if you discover value in crypto, you can use get post. chat with other crypto traders, you can do it into the Deer. You want to watch live streams at the gate.io. Live stream is located into the Deer. Future events and news. For example, you woke up at the morning and you want to get what happened to the crypto market or what will happen as an event at the crypto market. You can use future events or news. And if you want to learn anything about the cryptocurrency market and some mechanisms, you can take a look at blogs. That's it about that. Right now, we need to move to Web3 side from exchange side. Yeah, first of all, you need to start clicking Connect Wallet. Right now, if you have Gate Wallet, you can use it to connect, or you have no problem. Click Install Plugin, you will direct Chrome Web Store, and then you will get from there your own Gate Wallet. Just click Connect, and then you can do it everything in there, or you don't need to install this plugin. You can use Metamask at the Solana Phantom, at the Bitcoin Unisat. And then what can you do into the there? Features trading. You know, some decentralized application can provide at the DEX, at the DeFi features trading. I mean, you can use Gate.io and its own Gate wallet to futures trading, perpetual trading at the decentralized finance. You can earn passive income into the Web3 side. You can take a look and control your multiple assets, multi-chain assets, your own wallet center, and cross-chain swap. For example, you want to convert your own USDC at Ethereum to USDC at the Solana. You can using cross-chain swap, DEX trading, real-time execution based on market movement. I had already discussed about that. You can do it trading easily and independently using MetaMask, Phantom, Unisat wallet, and your Gate wallet at the Gate.io Web3 site. Decentralized application, over 10,000 training decentralized application. You can browse into the Gate.io site and startup. You can join some startup project into the Deer to get some passive or earnable positions into the Deer. Multi-chain NFT, you can also mint your NFTs. You can inscribe your inscriptions at the Solana, at the Bitcoin, and other which one can support and provide inscription feature blockchain. That's it about that. I hope you can get something about the Gate.io and exchange and Web3 side, I mean both of side. And yes, I think it's enough. By the way, that's the live chat. You can take some help from Gate.io. And by the way, you can take a look way at the Ethereum guest side. You can take a look because that's the DeFi side and you absolutely need to do that. And yes, there is no anything language term. You had already know about that. How can you change? Yes, if you want to learn anymore, don't forget to subscribe our channel, smash the like button, follow our Twitter channel at the Twitter, and join our Telegram channel to join and discuss about crypto market, cryptocurrency events. That's it. See you on the bullish time.